Hello everyone. As many of you have asked, if suppose with someone is suffering with the COVID at home, and even my family also, I have seen very closely that when they have suffered from the COVID and how to build our immunity. So there are few drinks which, as per the Ayurveda, it's excellent if we consume. It boosts our immunity also. So I will be sharing the 5 tips which you people have to do if you people are drinking and if you people are doing. So obviously the fear of this coronavirus, it's supposed to be, it has to go from our mind. Okay, so first drink, let us to just understand how to prepare and very easy tips that you have to do. So let us me to just show that what is that and how you have to do it.
Start.
This is, I think, might be you have seen lemongrass, which I drink every morning. So I will put this lemongrass in the hot water, and after that I will add lemon, and I will add even the jaggery. That's it. It's a very simple recipe. Let me just show how to do it. You could see that here it's a lemongrass I have added in the boiled water. Once it's boiled, then it's done. Then you can just use it while adding lemon and jaggery. This is very simple actually. Here you could see that I have added lemon also, and even I have added jaggery. This is the organic jaggery which you can add it. And morning time if you drink, seriously within a week you could find a lot of difference in your health. So just start drinking this with excellent actually Ayurvedic recipe which I have shared you here. You can have this plant at your home also and easy to find in the market. Now the second drink which is very known actually, we used to say kadha. Okay, you can add this black pepper. You will need to just crush it, and even you can add methi. Okay, that also you can just add in this, and just crush it well. Then after that you can add this raw turmeric. I prefer to use raw turmeric. If you don't have raw turmeric, then you can even add any organic turmeric, that is good actually. So just crush it and you can add in the water. You should just boil it well. After boiling you can just take out and you can add a spoon of honey and a little bit of lemon in that. So just add 1 spoon of honey. You could see how wonderful texture in yellow color. You can drink this. Generally I used to prefer after my meal, because after drinking this you could find the moisture, good moisture in your throat, and it's very good during this time. So just have this turmeric water by added a bit of black pepper. And the last one, that is with ginger, we can do it. You can just crush the ginger again very nicely. You need to just crush it. After crushing you can just simply add in the water, and after that we will boil this water. This is actually aloe vera, pure aloe vera. I used to just get from the market. If you have the plant of aloe vera, you can just take out the gel and you can make that juice also. So I will add one of 10 ml of aloe vera juice, which is already added with a little bit syrup of dates. In that I will add that ginger water, and this drink you can drink. It is very good immunity booster, very good for your health also. So you should have at least once in a day. And this is the fourth one which I love, and every night I'm drinking, that is turmeric milk. It's very good, excellent for your health. So what you have to do, simply just boil the milk, and after that you have to add turmeric and a pinch of jaggery. This will be the texture when you add turmeric. After that you can even add a pinch of jaggery in that. Very important one which might be you have heard, and I don't know whether you are aware of or not, oil pulling. So what is that oil pulling? Any kind of oil which is very good. Like generally I use this oil, like this is pure coconut oil. So you need to just take 1 spoon of, then you can just take it in your mouth. Don't drink it. After that you need to, what you have to do it, just look at me. Then you need to just split it. So what happened with the oil pooling, this mouth will get moisturizer, good moisturizer. Generally during the COVID time, what happens, we'll get this throat will be totally dry. So you need to just give lot of moisturizer in this place. So that's the reason oil pooling is a very famous actually technique in our yogic science also. Just try to have it. It's a very, you can consult to anyone who can guide you in a right way, and you can just start doing that. We have heard a lot about this. You have understood while saying this. Steam. Whether you have COVID or you don't have, every day just try to at least steam for the 1 minute. What happened? Whatever the blockages you are having, so it will be obviously unblocked. So just try to do every day, and tell in your family also, to everyone, to do at least for 1 to 2 minutes. So try to drink all these homemade remedies which I have shared to you all. Wonderful, actually these are the recipes, and even the doctor also recommends, and you can consult any physician to whom you trust, and be at home, be safe, follow these tips. It's a wonderful, this is since ages, actually in ancient days people used to do. Okay, so just be at home, be safe and be healthy.